Understanding the phrase, make eyes at, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore a fun and interesting phrase, make eyes at. This expression is often used in English-speaking cultures, and understanding it can add a charming touch to your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to make eyes at someone. Make eyes at is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to look at someone in a way that shows romantic or sexual interest. This phrase is often used in a light-hearted or flirtatious context. When someone makes eyes at another person, they might give them a playful, suggestive, or admiring glance. It's not just about looking. It's about conveying a message through the eyes. To better understand how to use make eyes at, let's look at some examples. 1. In a social setting, I noticed John making eyes at Mary during the party. 2. Describing reciprocated interest. She made eyes back at him, indicating mutual interest. 3. In literature or movies, the character in the novel made eyes at his love interest from across the room. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to describe a situation where someone is expressing interest through eye contact. While make eyes at is a common phrase, its appropriateness depends on the cultural and social context. In some cultures, making eye contact in this way can be seen as bold or forward. In others, it's a harmless and playful part of flirting. It's important to be aware of these nuances to avoid misunderstandings. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, make eyes at, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but also about expressions and body language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.